Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to write notes on Android 16. So as you guys see, I have my phone ready, and all you need to do is just search for let me just search for it. There should be a note. So just go into your Keep Notes and click on Add, click on Text, and then you can write anything you want. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.